I'm inside the Eddie Bauer Signature 310RL. Look at this color schematic. It is so calming and beautiful. They did a really great job with the design. So here we have our living space with a TV and fireplace. Of course, you have your recliners and dinette, a beautiful island, and I love this gold. Really cool feature is that they have hidden chargers here. So you just pop this up and boom. All right, come upstairs to the bathroom where you'll find a his and her sink, a spacious shower, and of course, a toilet. Follow me to the bedroom where you have a bed, a closet, washer dryer goes in here with water connections.